China's dumping of US Treasury bonds? Is this an empty threat or future reckoning? Chinese government officials recently informed Washington of intentions to slow or outright halt state purchases of US Treasury bonds. The economic realities underlying Beijing's report caused noticeable effects on the bond and stock markets. Wider geopolitical considerations were certainly felt among analysts, government officials, and within industry. With the Trump administration's looming trade war against China sitting alongside threats posed to Chinese allies North Korea and Iran, China's palpable concerns and China's perceived need for putting its largest trade partner on notice over said concerns are hardly a secret to either side or to the rest of the world. China's intended move to price energy resources and other commodities in its own currency is interrelated to potential bond dumping issues. In this episode of Money and Fear, we'll review the underlying fiscal and political stakes, which make this latest Chinese announcement hard to ignore, and speak to rising risks of approaching conflict between the United States and China. If you're not a Newsbud member yet, please join and tell others. It costs practically nothing, yet gives you information you're not supposed to know, thus empowering you to stay ahead of the herd and think like the establishment planners think.